Hi scientists, we are going to continue our work with Earth's movement. In our previous lesson, we talked about how the Earth is rotating. We could say the Earth spins on its axis. We could say the Earth is turning, the Earth rotates, and that's when a planet or moon is going to turn all the way around, or it's spinning on its axis one time. And we have our model here where we have the sun and then the Earth, and these arrows are showing movement, showing how the Earth is rotating, and then day and night are caused by Earth's rotations. So that's just a quick review of what we did in our previous lesson. Would you please go to a new blank page? Okay. And remember, at any time, if you need to pause to make sure that you get everything written, go ahead and do that. So you just watched the video that it was another refresher about the difference between rotation and revolution. So today our notes are going to be about revolution. So what you'll have, and yes, Earth does revolve, and we're going to talk about Earth's revolution, but Earth is not the only thing in space that revolves. So what we're going to do in our notes, we're going to say a planet should probably slow down to make sure everybody can read my writing. Okay, a planet or moon travels around something. Okay, let's put a circle around that. So scientists don't just say revolution. Yes, that's what we heard in the video, revolution. So that would be one trip, like a revolution is one trip. You also might hear scientists describe this movement as revolve. You could say the Earth is revolving. You could also, scientists also use the word orbit to describe this motion. Or orbiting. Okay, and then outside of the circle, can you write down here two objects are required for a revolution? Okay, so our two objects that we are going to do are going to be, oops, here I'm going to slide that back down. Remember, at any time, if you don't have all of the information, please press pause, get all of the information in your notes, and then continue. Okay, so we have a planet or moon travels around something. That can be, scientists will say that's a revolution. Scientists will say Earth is revolving, Earth revolves, Earth orbits, or Earth is orbiting. It's all the same motion. So two objects are required for a revolution. The objects we are going to use are going to be the sun. Today's model, the sun is going to be in the center, our star. Haha, get it? Okay, whoop. So with the sun, then it doesn't matter, like we could draw the Earth at any point. You could draw the Earth at any point around, but I'm going to choose to do Earth out here. Oh, should have made that a little bit larger, but that's okay. So I'm going to write Earth. Okay, and then I'm going to draw, remember, in a model, arrows are showing motion. So in our model, so got a little out of control there. That's okay. So we have our sun, and this is showing how the Earth is going to revolve. So this is revolution. Okay, this is revolution. Now, we know that the pattern of day and night is caused because the Earth is rotating. And it's Earth's revolution around the sun that causes the seasons. I don't have a whole lot of room left. You might not either. So I'm going to start way over here and I'm going to write a little bit smaller, but I want to make sure that we write this last sentence. Okay, so making sure we get in our notes. Earth's revolution around the sun causes seasons. So please get this in your head. Rotation and revolution are two different things. The Earth is rotating and revolving.